Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I am at job site address 6306 Northeast 32nd Street in Vancouver, Washington. We're doing a video inspection on a sewer line, and we've gained access through a 3-inch ABS cleanout in the front yard. We've pushed out to the city main at approximately 78 feet, which appears to be 6-inch concrete, and we are going to pull backwards to start our inspection. Minor pooling here at 46 feet. Just transition to what looks like 4-inch ABS. And here we are back at the clean out, and this completes our inspection. The line looks in good working order. There was one minor spot that had just a little bit of pooling, but it does not look like it's affecting the sewer line at all. And this completes our inspection.